Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a bag opening today. Yeah, I hate that they send these in bags. I really do. But this is probably my last order from AliExpress. Sadly, with everything going on with tariffs, etc., I want everything to settle before I even think about buying another anything from there. However, for this boy, I think I would have paid tariffs. Um, these dolls, I really like them. I have three of them. Um, they are boy dolls. They have great articulation. They come with clothes and shoes. And I paid less than, trying to remember, I paid 26 for him delivered. And I think I paid 29 for my blonde boy delivered. And this guy, I think, was he 27? It depends on the, let me find the opening. It depends on the clothing that you get with them and what seller you buy from. But telling you that makes no difference because you can no longer get them for that amount. Here we go. The opening's down here. I reuse these bags. I put fabric in them. When I open my fabrics and bring them home, I put them in plastic because Darren cooks with a lot of garlic and we have animals, so it keeps the smells. Well, not just garlic. You cook a lot. Darren's like a gourmet chef, but it keeps odors and hairs off. This guy is blonde. He might stay blonde. I like that blonde hair. And blue-eyed. They come with a hairnet, which I will save. Oh, it's caught in that box. There we go. That's trash, but I'm glad his face was covered. He's got this little shirt. See their chest? They have six-pack. Their arms do everything arms should. You twist them up like this. They go out, they go over, they go behind. They have a rotating cup up top at the bicep. Their arms go in. They have a elbow, and their wrist also turns and flexes. I really like that. I thought one of them was divided here.
It looks like his waist is divided.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's just a molding.
Yeah, it's just his underpants, I suppose. Stupid. Nice looking dolls. The head, I started to say, goes back and forth, not up and down, but that's okay. The legs are ball jointed, and he could ride a horse. He can do the splits in both directions. Oh, no, he can't. That does not come back real far, but he can go like this. Very articulated, and the foot moves back and forth and up and down. Like that a lot. And I brought out a Smart Doll to show you the height. We put him flat-footed. She has on a little bit of shoes. He doesn't. But I think it works out really well. He came with this yellow shirt, a pair of jeans, which should be washed. I should wash them before I put them on those guys. Are they the best jeans? They are jeans, and they are cute enough. I'll show you when I pull them out. Cute enough. They got a little working pocket here, none in the back. Little bit of elastic around the waist, and real belt loops, just the two. And he comes with tennis shoes. How cute is that? I had said that if they had a redhead, I would get another doll. Turn his arms. There we go. I would get another doll. Well, I bought he is wigged. They are wigged. Well, yeah, they are wigged. I'll tell you what, I like him as a blonde. I don't mind having two blondes. I like their faces. They aren't real boyish. They're not manly yet, but for a young man, they're not bad. Their ears look male rather than female. Their jawline looks pretty good. I don't like boy dolls that look too feminine. I just don't. So I said if they had a redhead, I would buy another one. And then I thought, why don't I get a wig? Well, let's see how to open this. There we go. So I bought this wig. Look how strange it is. I opened this the other night on, I think it was a live one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what's front, what's back. This must be the front. So how much of that am I going to have to cut?
Yeah,
And
it looks
his-
like Cousin It.
Oh, he even comes with the silicone already on. Well, that's fantastic. Yeah, it does look like Cousin It. And quite frankly, I think he's going to be a blonde, but let's see. Let's give it a shadow of a doubt.
It's just too orangey for me.
It's just two.
It reminds me of the gal from oh God, what was it? Blade Runner or something like that.
Well, it
The
fits
robot.
better than I thought, though. It's not as awful as I thought, but I don't think I like it. I think it looks feminine on him, too. What do you think?
Yeah,
We're going
just
with the
not right.
blonde. We're going with the blonde.
Have
But
to
yeah,
find another one.
yeah. He even has the, oh, look, it left crap on his
That's good and sticky.
silicone. But yeah, it is. So that is my last order, at least for right now, from AliExpress. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Look out, eBay. Here comes Marna.
Already been there.
Yeah, I know. It's not like you ever left.